Good morning, children. How are you all doing today? Children, today I have not come to teach you anything or to explain anything to you. Today I have come so that we, you and me, can have some fun together. Are we ready? Today we are going to do a painting activity. What activity are we going to do? We are going to do a painting activity. Fun, right? So, and in that painting activity, we are going to do painting on one creature. But I am not going to tell you what creature it is, what is the name of the creature, but what I'll do is I will tell you a riddle. Okay, I will tell you a riddle, and from that riddle, let me see if you can guess the name of that creature. Ready? Listen very carefully, okay? 1 minute. Okay, so I like to hop around. I like to hop around. I am green in color. I am green in color. Start thinking. I croak and catch flies with my long tongue. Shall I repeat it again? Listen, huh? I like to hop around. I am green in color. I croak and catch flies with my long tongue. What am I? Guess, guess, guess. What am I? Correct. The children who have guessed the answer, and that is frog, you are absolutely right. Come on, every clap for yourself. Tell mommy, papa, whoever is there to clap for you. Great. Now what we'll do is I will tell you a little poem. Okay? Just wait. Let's listen to a poem about the frog. Okay, ready? The frog lives in the pond. Her tongue is oh so long. It reaches high to catch a fly. The frog lives in a pond. Shall we say it again? Listen. The frog lives in the pond. Her tongue is oh so long. It reaches high to catch a fly. The frog lives in a pond. Children, so we heard the poem about the frog. We also heard a riddle about the frog. Okay. Now I would like to talk to you for some time before we start the activity. Okay, so tell me, when do you see frog? In which season do you see frog mostly? Right, we see frog in the monsoon season. We see frog in the monsoon season, right? Now tell me, when it is monsoon season and it is going to rain, how does the sky look? Does it look bright and sunny? Or does it look dull and dark? Right. So, when in the monsoon season, the clouds are very dark and grey. Okay, it is not bright and sunny. Right. Now tell me, I'm sure you know this, but let's revise. So tell me, in monsoon season, to protect us from rain, we use certain things, right? We use an umbrella, we use raincoat, and we also wear gumboots. All these things we use to protect us from the rain. Very good. And in monsoon season, children, don't you like to drink hot things like hot soup or hot milk? Yes? Or do you like to have cold drink? No, na? Because in monsoon season, when it is raining and it becomes little cold and chilly, so we like to drink hot milk and hot soup. Okay. And And during monsoon, I'm sure you must have seen some monsoon creatures. Do you know which creatures come out in the monsoon? Let me tell you. So the creatures like frog, then a snail, and centipede. All these creatures are monsoon creatures. They come out, mostly we see them during the monsoon time. And also children, when it is raining and there are puddles of water, I'm sure you must be playing in those puddles and enjoying. And also, do you make paper boats? You know how to make paper boats? Yes. So all these things we do during the monsoon season. Right now, which season is it supposed to be? It is supposed to be the monsoon season. Okay. And children, also during monsoon, after rain, many times you see a beautiful rainbow. Have you seen a beautiful rainbow? Next time when it is raining, after it rains, try and go out and see if you can see a lovely rainbow. And how many colors are there in a rainbow? There are 7 colors. How many colors? 7 colors. Okay. Now children, let's start the activity. Are you ready? Come on, take a look.